bampire
kumire mpaka shayi
ndi heading production oburango enchi ndagira ki ndabukora because I know production wachireba nda producing oburango kandi kunizera byo kati bayayongira muri kunchaza je so I knew what to do ba marketing na heading marketing andi
wagira duty
na aba busy nabanje yankunda yampa buri kimwe munchebe mbere
so ubwo bwira batokora akasete karingana ki
akasente my first umushagwanje go kubanza radio 18 karangwe 18 na busha nabanje kampe mitwara ashatu
ezo bwire zaziri nyinji
and akarazishashule zezo umushara gwa parliament of course inezo hotels zinkebyo na catering outside catering keb akwata kasete ajerashi atuka because tukatanga George turi 12 staff I think members then ayitwe abara bashikire munonga agira nko kuyadiringa ni private kugira ngo ni radio ajerashi because birabimanyi radio 18 business
of course
so twatandika
Kakumiro waje kumara
naza wana akora every Monday nabanje ya nanjendaga na ariko za mukokasi na parliament and dropping makerere aza parliament kuchika nza kuvuga na supervisor for research for my dissertation then nza yo collectinga ebina akozire njemara ashwampiki ngainda evening because nabanje kare ko arataha araza Kakumiro every after parliament ashwampiki nga tugaruka so every Monday natazaga radio kukora
so ati Kakumiro waje umara ukajukora ho bwire buringana
so ngakora radio up to my graduation
mpaka graduatingire bachelor's makerere
yes so mukwezi ku 12 because nkaza radio kwezi kwa mushanje and tutungire businesses abataka abaciga binje bankondera kimwe bakira bese ko kweta honorable mu meet nanka mu parties functions zakanje agenda gananye abantu bankunda abwiye bankunda paka barije baranzindukira tuni tutkaruga kabale turya abasiji those things ngeno naba popular jwa munonga
so atkura jere Kakumiro wazankahi
so kwezi ku 12 honorable Nurubya Mukama MP wa Kitagwenda na ni Mukama wa digital radio Jambara hamwe na Hits FM Report Potro abo bwira wakali bulisa aenda kuteka digital radio so mwana agumaga of course kugira ngo MP mujoza ka ine radio sagumaga rukize ki KCR and we had a morning show me and some guy called Ayijuka umuchwezi tuni show nonje munonga abukire buta in fact radio zaziri muri cyo cyanga zona zika first kunda ba presenters abaciga bahara mu kasheshe we had presenters baragamba runyoro rutoro
so barondo muciga wenyine
kaseta abantu bayikiriza
bagira ngo ni cecho
twatera kaseti wa business wazaga nkaka electronics shop kale muke metwarunka abiri ga kwanke cyena ngo muze kundangira business
kush
na kuri bisente mgito sharo because I was heading marketing
wakora akoramo so ku 12 neze
ngo banjyaho mbone simu ya Nurubya Mukama iwe marawe wasora urayo sabo nyoro uragamba ruciga warahira ngo basijimwe raboze photoport uze kora radio wanyu uze kora radio y'abaciga atuwaze Nurubya Mukama nunka takamulizagaho ntaramumanya and I was forced to call some friends had in Mbara kumfaminga Nurubya Mukama no Ningo watanje nje mutindi muyaye ngo zahananka internet ngo searching my biography because is an MP hati Hits FM ekeriho this lady Sylvia Bwabogo akamara akakuza mu politics
Sylvia Bwabogo
yes arakuwa na DJ Mapapa basunupa don't know if you know those guys but akakora mononga Radio West so barakora hamwe and Sylvia had resigned for politics alikuza mu politics za Fort Potro Kabarore district akuza kwesimba so barendo umuntu wokuza kumuza mu bijere Hits FM so Nuru namugira nti tinda yatwaraga n'utubuganire Kampala when I was of course I was clearing for graduation kugura gahunzi kuza kutwara nanka iriya form kutambuza rakiriyaringa yes twaraga nangu tubuganire Kampala so naika Kampala na muterere ya Nyanshanga owabaguma na Kasero baguma restaurant nazayo yangura lunch twarya twamara twaza Hotel African twaganira muri mugwenda kumpa I was very small nyine kakeronka na nibiri
kana nebire zonka
numai muri campus figa kumbere yari nenjara
mwo muceri nebinyobwa bikora birimo
campus figa kumbe ginjara but so I was kataine but then So I remember twashitama Hotel Africa yuna Nuru akarakora exercises mu gym